Yes, DJ Sedan, you know, say I hear the Dan.
If our love was a fairy tale, I would be the
Jenna Roots Band presents a thing called Mother's Love, and it's gonna be a special event. And Sunday, May 10th, is gonna be in Queens and Linden Boulevard at the Compound. So if you know where the Compound is in Queens, it's gonna be going down. Go sing Melody Sunday, May 10th, backed by the Jenna Roots Band. It's gonna be crazy.
You leave me breathless. You're everything good in my life. You leave me breathless. I still can't believe that you're mine. You just walked out of one of my dreams. So beautiful, you're leaving me, yeah, breathless. And if our love was a storybook, we would meet on the very first page. The last chapter would be about how I'm thankful for the life we've made. And if we had babies, they would have your eyes. I will fall deeper watching you give life. You don't even know how very special you are. You leave me breathless. You're everything good in my life. You leave me breathless. I still can't believe it's your mind. You just walked out of one of my dreams. So beautiful, you're leaving, oh yeah. You must have been sent from heaven to earth to change me. You're like an angel. The thing that I feel is stronger than love, believe me. You're something special. I only hope that I'll one day deserve what you're giving me. But all I can do is try every day of my life. Everything good in my life. You leave me breathless. I still can't believe it's your mind. You just walked out of one of my dreams. So beautiful, you're leaving me.
Crazy. Come out and see us. It's gonna be awesome. Mothers, I love you. Mwah.
First thing early Monday morning, I'm gonna pack my chairs away.
Yes, DJ Sedan, you know, say I hear the Dan.
Got no cause to look back, 'cause I'll be looking for a better day. You said a thing about love, I said it's not enough, and it's the only thing gonna bring you to Spain, darling. Comes a time when we could all make a change, darling. So let go, let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. 'Cause everything is gonna work out right, you know. Let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You better let it flow, my baby. Don't nobody want no broke heart. Don't nobody want no two-time loser. Ooh, my baby. Don't nobody love you like you are, till it takes whatever it'll bring your way. There's a thing of it, you deserve respect, but you can't demand respect without change, darling. Comes a time when we could go around, wait out, so let go, let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. 'Cause everything is gonna work out right. Let it flow, let it flow, let it go. You better let it go, my baby.
Tired of these lonely nights here in my baby. Have so many things stored up here in my head. I want you to stay, I don't want you to go, I don't want to be alone. Just the sound of your voice send chill to my spine when we're talking on the phone. If I fall in love, will you be there to catch me? Will you be there if I fall? If I fall in love, will you be there to catch me? Will you be there if I fall? Part of me wants to be your lover, and a part of me needs to be your friend. I need it to be just perfect for me. I need a happy end. I've been there before, I know the score. Don't wanna hurt no more. Fall in love. Will you be there to catch me? Will you be there if I fall? If I fall in love, will you be there to catch me? Will you be there if I fall? They say fools rushing where wise men fear to go. Love guarantees a heartache. Maybe I should take it slow. Folks say anything that feels so good must be bad for you. Some are wise in the ways of love, but I don't have a clue. If I fall in love, will you be there to catch me? Will you be there if I fall? If I fall in love, will you be there to catch me? Will you?
I guess now it's time for me to give up. I think it's time. Got a picture of you beside me. Got your lipstick marks along a couple cups. Oh yeah. Ooh, baby. Got a fist of your emotion. Got a handshot of dreams. Gotta leave it on behind now. And whatever I said, whatever I did, I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. See, I want you back for good. And whenever I'm gone, just send me the song, I'll sing it. You'll be right up on the search. See, I want you back for good. I'm well, but I'm blind. I think that I could stop it. Wasn't good. But in the corner of my mind, I celebrated glory, but that wasn't to be. But in the twist of separation, you said it will be free. Can't you find a little room inside for me? And whatever I said, whatever I did, I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. See, I want you back for good. And whenever I'm gone, just send me the song, I'll sing it. You'll be right up on the search. I want you back for good.
to you. It's so sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all is said and done, you're gonna be my only one. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now. Tell me what am I supposed to do? Sit around and wait for you? Well, I can't do that. There's no turning back. I need time to move on. I need love to be strong. But I got time to think it through. Maybe I'm too good for you. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now. And I know that I get to your best. And I know that I am strong. I don't need it anymore. Just don't need it anymore. I don't need you anymore. See, I don't need you anymore. You believe in life after love. I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's dig it down. Hey, DJ CJ.
So you have been my baby, and it means so much to me. There's nothing more precious than to raise a family. If any night you have in your mind, you can count on me. I never let you down. Lady, believe in me. You and I will never fall apart. You and I, we knew it from the start. Baby, forever my lady. It's like a dream, holding you close, keeping me warm. This is ecstasy. Forever my lady. It's like a dream, holding you close, keeping me warm. This is ecstasy. You and I will never fall apart. You and I, we're near right from the start. Baby, baby, can you picture my lady in these empty scenes? There's no me and no you, what will we do? It was an awful sight to me. If I should ever leave you, tell me where will I go? Life would have no meaning.
is available to stream on YouTube and AudioMac. You can download it straight from www.djsedan.com. Also follow DJ Sedan on all social media platforms.
I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. And I know just where to touch you, and I know just what to prove. I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is fading, and I know the time gonna fly. And I never gonna tell you everything I gotta tell you, and I know I gotta give it a try. And I know the road to reach it, and I know the ways to fail. I know all the rules, and I know how to break, and then I always know the name of the game. But I don't know how to leave you, and I never let you fall. And I don't know how you do it, making love out of nothing at all. Out of nothing, out of nothing at all. Out of nothing, out of nothing at all. Out of nothing, oh, out of nothing at all. Out of nothing, out of nothing at all. Out of nothing, out of nothing at all. Out of nothing, oh. Every time I see you, all the rays of the sun are streaming through the waves in your hair. And every star in the sky are taken into your eyes like a spotlight. The beating of my heart is a drum, and it's lost, and it's looking for a rhythm like you. You can take the darkness from the beat of the night and turn it to a beacon that is endlessly bright. I gotta follow you, 'cause everything I know, well, it's nothing till I give it to you. As I said before, I never let you down. And as I said, you're my baby, my dainty lady. And I never, ever, never gonna let you go. You think I leave your side, baby? You know me better than that. Think I leave you down when you're down on your knees. Ghosts wouldn't do that. I'll tell you the right thing you want. If only you could see into me, my baby. Oh, when you're cold, I'll be there. Hold you tight to me. When you're on the outside, baby, you can't get in. I will show you, you're so much better than you know. When you're lost, when you're alone, you can't get back again. I will find you, darling, I'll bring you home. And if you wanna cry, Ghost is here to dry your eyes. Yeah, baby, and in those times, you'll be fine. You think I leave your side, baby? Hey, you know me better than that. Think I leave you down when you're down on your knees. Ghosts wouldn't do that.
telephone bill, baby, or just a thing you feel. Tell me, I wonder why you cry. I wanna know, I gotta know. Is it there's something wrong? I wanna know now. I wonder why you cry. I wanna know, I gotta know. Is it there's something wrong? I wanna know now. Your friends, they keep on telling you that I have another child. Why didn't you say all along that these were the things that made you feel this way? Tell me, I wonder why you cry. I wanna know, I gotta know. Is it then something wrong? I wanna know now. I wonder why you cry. I wanna know, I gotta know. Is it then something wrong? I wanna know now. I wanna know.
Yes, DJ Sedan, you know, say I hear the dance.
I gotta know. I don't like that look on your face. That look on your face. Is it that something wrong? Is it that telephone bill, baby, or just the way you feel? Tell me, I wonder why you cry. I wanna know, I gotta know. Is it that something wrong? I wanna know now. I wonder why you cry. I wanna know, I gotta know. Is it that something wrong? I wanna know now.
Well, you done me, you bet I felt it. Try to be chilled, but you so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get there. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon again it's my turn to win some, learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours, I'm yours, I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plan and damn you free. Open up your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music for a moment, maybe sing with me. I love peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. It cannot wait. I'm yours. I'm yours. Baby, I'm yours.
Yes, DJ Sedan, you know, say I hear the dance.
I've been spending way too long checking myself in the mirror, standing on my toes just to try to see it clearer. My breath fogged up the glass, so I drew a new face and laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there is no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
It's DJ Sedan, the baddest DJ.
Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about it, what it does, it just tear me down. Cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have give you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to everybody, cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. My pride, my ego, my deeds, and my selfish ways cause a strong black woman like you to walk out my life. No, I never get to clean up this mess I made. And it haunts me every time I close my eyes. It all just sounds like too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to everybody, cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Although it I'll be the first to say I was wrong. Oh, I know I probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistake, but I just want you to know. Take me back into the arms I love. Leave me like you did before. Touch me once again, and remember when there was no one but you until more. Don't go, you know you break my heart. Here you are, I feel like I will love the one who stays when he walks away, and you know I'll be standing here still. I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you more. See me as if you never knew. Hold me so you can let go. Just believe in me. I will make you see all the things that your heart needs to know. I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you more. Somewhere a love that we have can be saved, but every day won't be fine. Don't wait, I'm waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry.
Sunday, May 10th at the Compound, 190-01 Linden Boulevard, featuring Ghost. And singing melody.
Say what? Lady, oh yeah, saying to me.
All backed by the General Roots Band. Tickets available at Eventbrite. VP Reggae, 170-19 Jamaica Avenue, Queens. Silver Cross, 660 Utica Avenue, Brooklyn. And 129-26 Merrick Boulevard. TK Smokehouse, 345 East 98th Street, Brooklyn. And People's Choice Furniture, 3411 Boston Road, Bronx. Come out and represent. It's going to be a night of elegance, a night of class, and music. A Mother's Love. Sunday, May 10th.
My heart is filled with so much love, and I need someone I can call my own to fall in love. That's what everyone's dreaming of. Always feeling home, so sure life is too short to live alone. When there's someone to call my own, I will care for you, you will care for me. Our love will live forever. Shower me with your love. Shower me with your love that I long for. Shower me with your love. Shower me with the love that I'm waiting for. I close my eyes and pray all my wishes come true. Always feeling oh so sure life is too short to live alone. When there's someone to call my own, I will care for you, you will care for me. Our love will live forever.
the